Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. From Natasha Denona Sunset Eyeshadow Palette. Tarteist Pro Glow Palette. From Dior Forever Perfect Foundation. From MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Makeup Setting Spray. From Cosmetics by My Under Eye Concealer. Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. From Clinique Take Off the Day Cleansing Balm. Clinique Take Off the Day Cleansing Balm. Morphe Jaclyn Hill Eyeshadow Palette. Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. From Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. From Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. From Laura Geller Gilded Honey Illuminator. From
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.